Hi guys. So I'm going to film a clean with me because I just feel like there aren't enough cleaning videos on YouTube. I'm just kidding. No, I'm gonna film this because it motivates me to see people who have a real mess clean. So I just figured I'd film this for anybody who needs motivation. Again, I filmed myself cleaning my hot messes of a kitchen many times. But if this is your first time watching me, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gia. I'm a working mom who tries to balance it all. And I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below, as well as the little bell next to it. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. All right guys, I'm not gonna chat a lot. We're just gonna put some good music on and get this cleaning done. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, let's get to it. guys, so this is as good as it's going to get for today. As most of you know, I hate cleaning. I don't care what anybody says. Like, I just don't like cleaning. And I suffer from decision fatigue really bad. Like, it's just hard for me to make these little simple mundane decisions about where does this belong, should I keep it, should I recycle it. I did a whole video about it. You can tap this eye right here if you're interested in seeing it. But I just hope it motivated somebody to get up and just do something that you need done today. It does, and again, it doesn't have to be perfect. To some people it's still a mess. I mean, it is still a little bit of a mess, but I tidied as much as I can, and I'm at my limit before I just totally get burned out. And I'm not trying to burn myself completely out for cleaning. So anyway, leave a comment down below and let me know if you ever feel like this, because I know I cannot be the only one. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here, and all of my social media platforms, all listed down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.